Hey everybody, Yogi here. I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well. So I was doing a little grocery shopping today, and I have heard about this product on many podcasts, commercials, swearing that it's a great product. So it's pretty pricey. It was $9.48 for a box. Magic Spoon. Total sugar 0. Net carbs 4. 12 grams protein. It's a grain-free cereal. It says the high-protein, keto-friendly, gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, wheat-free, naturally flavored, totally delicious childlike cereal for grown-ups. What's it made out of then? Let's take a look. Milk protein blend. Whey protein concentrate, sweetener blend, sunflower oil, avocado oil, tapioca, starch, natural flavor. Okay. So $9.48 for a box. 7 ounces of cereal you get for $10. For a little under $10. So let's open this up and see what really? Wow, $10 for that. The bag is half full. I know it settles during transfer and all that stuff, but come on, guys. Really? Doesn't really smell like cinnamon to me. It smells like coconut. I don't know. We'll try some dry and then we'll try some with some milk, I guess. But, yeah, $10 and all that can be yours. So, not impressed so far, Magic Spoon. Your stuff better taste pretty darn good for the amount you give us, for the amount we pay. All right, so I'm going to open this up now. It almost smells like alcohol. Like a cinnamon flavored alcohol. Let's try it. Let's try a bite, okay? This will be interesting going in. It sticks together. Wow. Okay, again, I'm going to smell. Okay. Does not smell like cinnamon roll. Taste-wise, I guess it's not the most horrible taste in the world, but when you first bite into it, you could taste the sweetness of it, but then it's just man, it's hard to describe. Like a chemical cinnamon. Man, oh man. I mean, there's really nothing distinct about it. They had other flavors at Walmart, but I saw the cinnamon roll and I thought, that might be pretty darn. That might be the best one. I don't know. It leaves a weird taste in your mouth. I don't know if milk's going to do it any better, any justice, but I'm going to pour a little bit and then try it with milk. So here it is. It likes to clump together. My son tried a little bit of it too, and he said it tasted like it had like a coconut taste to it, and it does. But there's no coconut, nothing coconut, at least in the ingredients that I saw, unless it's considered a natural flavor. So, okay, we're going to try this going in. No. I'm trying to give it the benefit of a doubt. Yeah. Even with milk, it just has a... Yeah, I won't be finishing this. If you want to eat a good, healthy cereal that tastes like the box it came in, well, I definitely will not be spending another $9.48 on Magic Spoon. Comment below. Have you tried Magic Spoon? Do you like Magic Spoon? Is it good? In your opinion, is it flavorful? What varieties have you tried? I know there's like a fruity, a cocoa, a blueberry. There was this one. But I thought I'd give this one a shot because I like cinnamon roll stuff. So, I mean, if you're in a pinch, if you're on a strict diet, I guess as long as you close your eyes and pretend it's good cereal. I mean, it's healthy for you. I'll give it that. Once you get done eating that initial burst of flavor and stuff, it's almost like you're eating a Cheeto with no cheese on it. Magic Spoon, will I ever buy it again? No. It's the worst thing I've ever had? No. Yeah, Magic Spoon, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being crap and 10 being better than cereal itself, I would give it probably a 3. It's not the worst thing I've tried. I will probably force myself to eat the rest of this box. I don't know if anybody else in the family will. For almost $10 a box, and you get half a box of food. It's very underwhelming. I mean, I give them props for trying to get people to eat healthier, but it needs improvement. Again, that could just be me. The other flavors could be much better. I don't know. Like I said, if you've had Magic Spoon cereal, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are about it. Interesting concept. Been something I've been wanting to try for a long time. Finally saw it in the store, and I'm like, okay, I'll give it a shot. Gave it a shot. I know you can ask for your money back if you're not satisfied. I don't know. I might ask for my money back. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. That's it for the Magic Spoon cinnamon roll review. I am Yogi, and I cannot believe I'm going to take another bite of this cereal. Nope, has not improved at all.